we are still looking pretty good up in the high country. A lot of folks are up there snapping the photos. I'd say go if you can during the week. Less people up there, easier to get around, and still gorgeous sights to see. This one, a couple of pictures actually coming into us on the digital networks. This one in and around the Edwards area. Anna capturing this amazing shot. Don't the hills just look glorious out there in that golden glow? And Larry Pierce always sending us some fun ones in Steamboat Springs. Fall in full force right there around the Yampa River. Just stunning. Across downtown Denver, looking off into the foothills, the top Lookout Mountain, the metro area. We have some blue skies out there, and once again a warm day. I know you're saying, really? Is it fall? Because it still feels like summer here in the city. We touched 89 out at DIA. Keep in mind the average is 75. We should be enjoying those mid 70s. Not the case today. So close to that record high of 92 last set back in 1953. We did hit the lower 90s in Fort Collins and Greeley. Look at Ray, 97 this afternoon. Some low 80s in Steamboat through Eagle with upper 70s in Buena Vista and Saguache. Right now out at the airport, we're still holding steady. We'll see if we can tack on another degree, make it 90 out at the airport. We shall see. Here in the backyard, our temperatures also quite warm, mid 80s, feeling good, especially when you have a little bit of shade out there. On HD Doppler 9 this afternoon, you can see a few clouds starting to drift back in here to the city, but really most of the action has been across far southern Colorado. They're looking at some scattered rain showers, even a cluster of thunderstorms pushing in closer toward Alamosa, the San Luis Valley, and then out toward Durango, just to the north, kind of heading in toward the Telluride area as well. As we zoom out, you can see it's all a part of this closed low that is just situated to our south in and around Arizona and New Mexico. It'll start to shift off to the north and to the east as we look ahead toward tomorrow and bring us just a couple of isolated showers possible here in the metro area. Tonight is still extremely mild. Temperatures only falling into the mid 50s here in Denver. Some lower 50s out east, 30s and 40s way up high. Futurecast taking really these showers continuing to move kind of from the southeast off to the west, northwest through late this evening. This is about 11 o'clock or so. We're still dry here in Denver. We should be looking at a dry start to your Tuesday. But again, by the afternoon, once that storm lifts a little closer into eastern Colorado, the plains will see a good chance for showers. The high country looking at some nice showers about 4 or 5 o'clock, and perhaps a little bit of snow along those higher peaks. We will be monitoring a stronger cold front moving in late tomorrow night. That will once again usher in some more showers and the possibility, well, a good possibility of some cooler temperatures too, which will be nice. It'll feel a little bit more like fall. Well, it certainly looks like it way up high. Temperatures a little cooler, but still above average tomorrow as we stay in the lower 80s, 80s off to the plains, but up into the mountains. Okay, now we're feeling a little bit more like fall with the 50s and 60s out there. 81 here in Denver. We'll go partly cloudy, and again, can't rule out seeing an isolated afternoon thunderstorm. Some mid 50s around Winter Park, mid 60s in Estes Park, and then low 80s. But then finally, by about Wednesday, that cool front really will settle in, bringing us the nice cooler numbers in the 60s. We'll have to get our sweaters out, guys. Plus the umbrellas too, as I'm tracking a couple of scattered showers. Right now it does look like the weekend, because why not look at the weekend on a Monday afternoon? Looks pretty nice. Low 70s, sunny and dry.
Deal. Sweaters.
All we gotta do is get to the weekend.
I know. Yeah, he just passed over a lot of that. Once you mentioned weekend, we did
Tuesday,
not.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Whatever. Yeah, Saturday?
Yeah.
What's going on?
It's all good.
That's how we
Danielle.
operate.